With his latest invention, the Tesla Phone Pi, billionaire tech guru Elon Musk has yet again brought his dreams to reality. A dream that kicked off with electric vehicles, colonizing Mars, and implanting brain chips, all of which have either been achieved or on the verge of achievement. Now, the world is about to share in the dreams of Elon Musk with the Tesla Phone Pi. Keep watching this video to check out all the amazing features and insights that come with the Tesla Phone Pi. What is the Tesla Phone Pi? The Tesla Model Pi is a futuristic-looking smartphone that billionaire tech guru Elon Musk will soon launch. There are several mind-blowing reports about the Tesla iPhone, and many people around the world cannot wait to see the phone come to life. Some of the insane features include the smartphone working on Mars, having Neuralink compatibility, mining cryptocurrencies, and being the first ever satellite phone available for the masses. Why spill little details when I can give you the whole package? The craziest feature of this phone will blow your mind. Tesla Phone Pi features. Model Pi will work with Neuralink. Neuralink is Elon Musk's project, developing ultra-high bandwidth machine interfaces to link human brains to computers. Neuralink is one of the companies working on the phone, and according to reports, the Model Pi will directly connect to the user's brain and work accordingly. The idea of computers interfacing with the brain is still essentially science fiction. However, they're designing the first neural implant that will let you control a computer or mobile device anywhere you go, with the activity of your brain, just by thinking about it. Could the first phone capable of such a feat be from Tesla? An early iteration could run on any phone with the Neuralink app, but it also makes sense to see it here, considering Musk owns Neuralink. Model Pi will mine cryptocurrency. Mars Coin. The smartphone will mine cryptocurrency, supposedly called Mars Coin. Anyone who knows Elon Musk certainly knows about his fantasy with Mars. Users will be able to use it on Mars, while the phone will also work as your crypto wallet. Model Pi will be the first satellite phone available for the masses. This smartphone will not be the first satellite phone, as Thuraya and Iridium are already available. However, it will be the first smart satellite phone that anyone could buy. SpaceX's space-based internet service, Starlink, has close ties to Tesla, so it would work only where there's already a Starlink base, like in a building or, if it ever happens, a Tesla car fitted with the appropriate antenna. Also, the Model Pi might feature an antenna that would link it with Starlink, which will help it work on Mars. There are also claims it will have access to download speeds of up to 210 megabytes per second. Vehicle control. There's already a Tesla app for phones to perform some basic car functions: lock, unlock the car, control media playback, and summon the vehicle. This app would most assuredly be pre-installed on the phone, if not built into the operating system, for easy access directly from the lock screen or via external buttons. It's also possible the app would offer unique options only to Tesla phone owners. Astrophotography. Current phones already use AI and powerful cameras to help when photographing the night sky. Add that functionality to SpaceX's extraterrestrial focus that would inevitably be all over this phone, and you've got a device capable of great photos of astronomical objects. Solar charging. Tesla manufactures solar panels and vehicles, so this isn't a far-fetched idea. It's unlikely the phone would rely on solar, but it could have a Tesla-branded case that enables some amount of solar charging. Specs and hardware. The Tesla company has yet to release any tangible information about the Model Pi phone, so we aren't quite sure what will happen on the inside of the phone. However, we expect it to be mind-blowing. From the little details that have been released about the phone, we can certainly point out some of the specs and hardware of the phone. The Model Pi phone will surely have all the standard components, like 1 to 2 terabytes of storage, 16 gigabytes or more of RAM, an AMOLED display, and a screen around 6.5 inches. The Tesla Model Pi boasts 4 cameras, solar charging, and a skin that may change color in future designs. In addition to its Starlink satellite connection, solar cells will be included on this gadget, as well for further functionality. Using Sunshine, you can charge your phone in about 30 minutes. You may also learn a lot about Mars with this equipment. The specifications and features just keep going. Software and operating system. One software feature that tech experts are certain that the Model Pi phone will have is that it would be used as a car key. We get to see regular smartphones being used as car keys these days. Why would a company that makes phones and cars exclude this feature from its device? That's not even the most insane feature of this phone. The car's exterior speakers might be used to yell for assistance and lock, unlock, locate the vehicle, for example. If you have the autonomous capability and you want the vehicle to pick you up, the phone might also assist the car find you, which would be very useful for those of us who forget where we parked. the Tesla Model Pi phone might as well be a marketing strategy for the Tesla vehicles. Because if the smartphone and electric vehicles can share all these abilities, a lot of people will find themselves owning both. The Tesla Model Pi phone is set to hit the market with full force, and it may come just like the Apple iPhone did. It will have its unique qualities and specifications, and more interestingly, it will have its own operating system. The phone will not run on the regular Android operating system, but Tesla's own mobile operating system. Just how cool is that? Is the Tesla phone real or fake? Ever since the rumors of the new Tesla phone hit the web, many people have been trying to figure out whether the phone is real or if it's all just a massive hoax. Well, there are many things that would make people assume that the phone is, in fact, fake. For starters, the features all seem unrealistic for a mobile device. A Model Pi camera is sensitive enough to take pictures of the Milky Way? That doesn't sound very possible. A phone directly linked with your brain via Elon Musk Neuralink brain implant technology? The last time I checked, humans aren't robots. A phone you don't have to plug in because it recharges on solar energy? It may save the planet, but you will certainly need lots of sunscreens. Anyway, many people consider these features unrealistic and unnecessary. But that's not the only reason people believe that this phone is fake. The Tesla company itself hasn't made a single announcement about the details of the Model Pi phone. It all began in February 2020, when Italian graphic designer Antonio De Rosa published a brief YouTube video and portfolio page showing off his idea of what a dream Tesla smartphone might look like. And just like the Tesla smartwatch debacle, many people now believe that there will actually be a Tesla phone. When the Tesla smartwatch was trending, Elon Musk openly debunked the rumors, and while he was at it, he also commented about phones. He replied to a tweet that claimed that Tesla was developing smartwatches. His reply read, "Definitely not. Smartwatches and phones are yesterday's technology. Neuralinks are the future." In all, Elon Musk proved that Tesla would never make a traditional smartphone. Lastly, many people believe that if Elon Musk were actually creating a smartphone, the major news outlets would cover it. But there are no reports from the likes of CNN, Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, and many more. Tesla phone release date and price. The Tesla company has yet to launch a release date for the new Tesla phone Pi. In fact, the phone is yet to be confirmed as only leaked details have been released to the public. However, some rumors claim that Elon Musk would be unveiling the Model Pi phone by the end of 2021. But here we are in 2022 with little to no details on the most talked about gadget. Insider reports claim that the Model Pi is likely to launch in 2022. However, many tech experts are certain that the device may not be available, but that doesn't change the fact that the phone isn't like your regular smartphone. Thus, it's going to come at quite a high price. Tech experts speculate the phone would cost anywhere between $1,200 to $4,000. We hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel for updates on all the latest tech news and what to look out for.